I'm Avra. So for my experiment, I tested the effects of radiation on plant growth. So what I did was I had 5 groups of 3 seeds each, and I put them in the microwave for different amounts of time. So one group was controlled, so it wasn't exposed to any radiation, and some were exposed for 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and a minute. So then I put them in like a damp or a wet paper towel so they could germinate, and these were my results after they germinated. And then I planted them, and unfortunately they didn't actually grow in the soil. But what I realized through the germination process that the control group had more like roots, and the group that was 30 seconds actually like kind of started to grow once it germinated, which I thought was pretty cool. And then the 1 minute group didn't actually show any growth, and I thought that was interesting because I thought the seeds that were exposed the longest would have like better growth, and I think they actually just died. And as I planted them and watched over the few weeks that I grew them, I figured that they didn't grow because of the amount of sunlight that was coming in, because like the weather, because it's like winter, and I think like they need lots of energy, so the sunlight wasn't strong enough to like get that energy in order for the plants to grow. And I think that it is important to know how radiation affects our environment, because there's radiation everywhere, and that radiation can have positive effects and negative effects. So it's important to know what those effects are on like our plants and just environment. So yeah.